Oh yeah, 9 breaker once again. Hope for the inevitable maid off between you and a certain clock maid. Let's decide. Yes, clock maid. Fight me, clock maid. Who can serve their master better? I'd lose by 100-fold. You know, that actually sounds fun. I want to do a maid off. What should we fight? I think a power wash like time collab thing would be fun. Who can clean faster? We would be like, we wouldn't be in the same power rush room. We would try like the same challenge and see who cleans first. But that she's like a power wash master, so I feel like I'd lose. Room unboxing. Ah, that's another one. There's like multiple different like maid-ish games. I feel like the room unboxing would also be very chill. Room unboxing, power wash, cooking simulator games.
2 days later.
And friend stab 𝗂𝗍𝗶𝗍, thank you. IRys had declared a maid war. Really? She did? I wonder why. Like, I'm not feeling any need to feel like I need to compete is the thing. She's convinced she can beat you. Oh, when did she say this? Well, I don't feel threatened at all, but I guess if she feels threatened by it, I'm really sorry to hear that. I do focus a lot more on Maidly dude, and she is very, very much adorable, but I am more of a traditional maid, sticking to my tasks very dutifully. So I'm too busy with my maid duties, but I suppose if she's worried about her skills as a maid, I just hope that she feels better about it.